to make the scene more powerful and to clarify how they are moving. Speed lines, which can show how the characters are moving, are needed when you want to draw the action scenes. And sometimes onomatopoeia is also needed. Sound effect is also needed to make the scenes more kind of powerful and clear. In the fighting scene, backgrounds should be drawn only when it is needed. You don't always have to put backgrounds in all panels. It really depends on the situation, but as for the backgrounds, maybe in these two spread pages, 1 or 2 panels should include the background. It really depends on the situation, so not always right, but could be 1 or 2. You don't have to put all backgrounds in all panels in the fighting scenes.
If you're wondering how you can use these lessons and techniques in your one-shot, check out our free manga anthology, One Shot, Your Manga Era. It features original one-shots made by aspiring mangakas from all around the world. These are real stories that went from vague ideas to finished pages with the help of pro-Japanese mangakas and a pro-manga editor. Some of them even did it in as fast as 1 month. The most exciting part? You can vote for your favorite and enter the giveaway to win manga creation prizes like Wacom tablets and a Clip Studio Paint subscription. Plus, you'll even receive a free manga concept blueprint as soon as you answer the survey. This blueprint is what helped over 400 of our students finish their first manga in as fast as 60 to 90 days. So, if you need a little inspiration for your own manga, click the link in the description or go to oneshot.learntodrawmanga.com to read for free.